Hello friends, I'm Mr. UG Money, and today I'm to show you how to install Java JDK latest and full version for free any Windows. Stay on until the end. Okay. Let's go into the tutorial. So before you install Java JDK, let's first check whether it's in the device system. Open command prompt, then type Java version and then click enter. Java is not recognized. Therefore Java is not in the device system. Open up any browser and Google search Java JDK download. Click the first site, which is orals.com, where you see Java downloads/orals. As you can see, Java 17 is now available, and Java 17 is the latest version of Java. However, I do not know what will be Java's latest version by the time you watch this video. But the method I'm showing you will enable you get the latest version of Java. Whatsoever date you watch this video, scroll down below Documentation Download and then click Windows. Then look for x64 installer and click the site URL in relation to download the latest version of Java. Then click Save to start the download. Wait a few seconds for the download to complete. Double-click the downloaded software and wait for the installation to start. Then click Next and again click Next. So after completing the installation, you have to add Java JDK to the system environment variables. Go to local disk C and click Program File. Then click Java and click JDK 17. Then click Bin folder and copy its path to add it to the system environment variables. Then right-click on your Windows Start button and click System. Click Advanced System Settings and then click Environment Variables. Scroll down slowly and click Path Variable and click Edit. So at the beginning of the path variable value, paste the path you copied from the bin folder. Then add a semicolon as a separator between the different paths. Finally, click OK to all the folders you opened. Then go on and check whether Java JDK is installed. Open command prompt. Then type Java version and click Enter. So as you can see, Java JDK is installed and recognized by the system environment. So now you are done. That's it for today.